I'm Andrea Feddersen, and I'm here in Capgemini's Paris headquarters today with the group's Chief Financial Officer, Carole Ferrand, who will be commenting Capgemini's third quarter revenues. So, Carole, welcome.
Hello, Andrea.
Welcome to this interview, which is actually the first we're recording together.
Indeed.
Yeah, since you arrived in the group on June the 1st. So, let's kick off today with a look at the highlights of these third quarter revenues, and also if you can tell us a little about how they compare to the first half of the year.
Yes, of course, Andrea. First of all, I would like to say that I'm really pleased to be here with you today to share the group's third quarter achievements. As a matter of fact, we delivered a strong growth in Q3 and with 3.2 billion euros revenues. So that represents a growth of 8.7% at constant currency, which is, of course, a strong achievement. This compares to a growth of 8% in H1 and of 8.7% in Q2. So as you can see, this means that we really were capable of keeping up our momentum. And this is a strong achievement because our baseline was more demanding in Q3. If we look now at our achievements on a year-to-date basis, our revenue growth stands at 8.2% at constant currency. And most importantly, the growth was fueled by the 6.4% organic growth, which is, of course, very important. So all in all, if we want to summarize, the group continues to grow and it grows at a robust pace.
So great, that's a good momentum, a good performance. What are the key drivers behind this?
Well, again, in Q3, the key drivers of our success were digital and cloud, up by more than 20% at constant currency. Digital and cloud now represents around 45% of our total business, which is, of course, very important. Secondly, all our regions have done well in Q3, and all regions have contributed to growth, including UK, which is now back to growth, as we anticipated. In North America, which is our largest market, the growth stands above double digit, so it's a strong achievement, especially in this region where the baseline was very demanding. And in a few countries like France, the growth has proved to be very dynamic again.
Now, thank you, Carole. This year, the group, Capgemini, has announced several acquisitions, including two more recent deals. Can you tell us a little about these, a bit about Capgemini's merger and acquisition strategy?
Yes, absolutely, Andrea. So our bolt-on acquisition strategy aims notably at accelerating our digital growth. And Liquidit is a perfect illustration of this strategy. It's a firm specialized in customer engagement in North America. And this acquisition enables us to accelerate our growth in that region in terms of digital consulting, and it accelerates as well the portfolio shift in that region. So that's very important. Since then, we have completed several other acquisitions. And earlier this month, we were very pleased to announce the acquisition of June 21st, a consulting firm in digital marketing in France, and also of doing a full-hand digital agency in Italy. So all these acquisitions really enables us to build an end-to-end service capabilities in digital.
So strong acquisitions. A word on Capgemini Invent now. Now, this is a new entity that was launched by Capgemini back in September. What can we expect from Capgemini Invent?
So, well, Capgemini Invent positions us very well in the way we can answer the growing demand of our clients in digital innovation, as well as consulting and transformation. And all the recent acquisitions that we just mentioned really help us in this positioning, in the way we build up our capabilities in strategy consulting, in data science, in creative design, and in technology globally.
And a final question, Carole. We're fast approaching the end of the year. Can you tell us, are you comfortable with the financial targets that have been set for Capgemini for 2018?
So we expect our momentum to remain strong in Q4 and to bring us at 6.8% growth rate at constant currency, while our comparison bases are even more demanding in Q4 than in Q3. So I'm very pleased to announce that we have decided to raise our growth guidance for 2018 from slightly above 7% to above 7.5% at constant currency. We also confirm our other financial targets for 2018, and to generate more profitability with an operating margin from 12 to 12.2%, and to generate organic free cash flow in excess of 1 billion euro.
Carole Ferrand, Chief Financial Officer of Capgemini. Thank you.
Thank you.